Hey guys, on today's tutorial, we're going to be updating a few apps. So let's just go right into your app store. In your app store, we will see right here below, it says Today Games Apps Updates, and then search. So let's just tap on updates. And right here, we're going to see eBay, Google Photos, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, Netflix, YouTube again. And then we have VK, Google Maps, Messenger, Dropbox, WhatsApp, you'll see Groupon. And those are the updates that are available right now for all these apps. Now I did see YouTube twice because one's YouTube Studio and the other one's the YouTube app. So there are different apps, by the way. Then we have Netflix and so on. Anyways, if you guys don't see the update right here for the app that you're looking for, let's just go into search. So let's say we're looking for Facebook and there's an update for that. Let's just go into search. Look for Facebook, and then we should see right here, it should say update. So we can just tap on update and it's going to start the update. And that's for any app. So let's say I can search for eBay because I know there's an update for that. So let's just search for that. And again, I can see update there, so I can update it from there. Okay, now let's say you guys just don't see the update and it's kind of weird. So it might be because the update's not compatible with your iOS. So let's just update your iOS. So in your settings right here, you guys can just scroll down where it says general. Then your second option will be software update. Under software update, you guys will see if you guys do need a software update. So at this point, I'm in iOS 12, so that's up to date. So I'm good to go. However, maybe you guys are in iOS 10 and it tells you that there is an update available. So right now is the time to update your iPhone, iPad Touch. All right, so let's say you guys have an older iPhone or an iPad. Maybe you guys have an iPad 2, for example. iPad 2s are stuck in iOS 9. That means that you guys cannot update it to iOS 12. And don't fall for any scams that you guys see online where they tell you, oh, you guys can just download this, do that, pay here, pay there, and then you guys can update your iOS. No, there's no way to update your iOS if your iPad or iPhone, iPod Touch is not compatible with that. Okay, so don't fall for that. In your search, you guys might also see that there's jailbreaking. Jailbreaking, sure, it's great, but still it will not update your iOS. All right, so right now we're just back right here under updates. We're gonna update our Google Photos. We're gonna update LinkedIn, YouTube Studio, Twitter, Netflix. Then we have our actual YouTube app, VK, Google Maps, Messenger, and Dropbox, plus WhatsApp, Yossi, and Groupon. So there we go. They're all updating. At this point, sometimes, depending on your settings as well, it might ask you for your passcode. In most cases, you don't need it because most of you have that fingerprint or you guys have it set up so it doesn't ask you every single time that you want to update for your password. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.